This video explores the classification of materials essential for modern electronics. Nature provides three fundamental types of materials, which engineers classify to build electronic circuits. Two key rules define these materials. Nature classifies them based on how electrons cross energy bands, and engineers measure their resistivity to categorize them. Insulators stop electrical charge. They have a massive energy gap, exceeding 5 electron volts between the valence and conduction bands. Their resistivity is extremely high, ranging from 10 to the power of 10 to 10 to the power of 12 ohm-cm. Conductors allow charge to move freely. Their energy bands overlap completely, meaning electrons can flow even at absolute zero temperature. Their resistivity is very low, from 10 to the power of -4 to 10 to the power of -6 ohm-cm. Semiconductors like silicon and germanium bridge the gap. They have a smaller forbidden gap of around 1 electron volt. Heat can create free electrons, and their resistivity is moderate, spanning 10 to 10 to the power of 4 ohm-cm. This matrix compares the three categories, highlighting differences in gap size, resistivity, and behavior at absolute zero. Semiconductors control electrical signals. While conductors direct current and insulators protect wires, semiconductors are the key components for signal control in electronics. Engineers modify intrinsic semiconductors by adding intentional impurities, a process called doping. This doping creates P-type materials and N-type materials. Joining these materials forms a PN junction, which acts as a one-way valve. This physical junction allows current to flow in only one direction, which is essential for creating modern electronic devices. The junction is the foundation for building various electronics. It creates simple diodes and more complex transistors, which are used to switch electrical circuits, classifying our modern world of technology.